Minerals. You know that there are many different types of rocks, but do you know what rocks are made of? They're made of materials called minerals. A mineral is a natural occurring element that is not a plant or animal. Diamonds are some of the rarest minerals. Many minerals form when hot, liquid rock or magma cools and hardens into a solid. When magma cools, its molecules get closer and form crystals. The heat and pressure deep inside Earth also produce minerals. Some minerals are formed with the help of water. Water heated by magma contains dissolved minerals. As the water cools, the minerals form crystals. Other minerals form through evaporation of ocean water, like the table salt pictured above. Scientists use properties such as color, streak, luster, hardness, and cleavage to identify different materials. Some minerals come in many different colors, so scientists need to use additional properties to identify them. Can you believe both of these minerals are quartz? Another method scientists use is called streak. Streak is the color of the powder left behind when a mineral is rubbed against a rough white tile or streak plate. A mineral will have the same streak no matter what color the mineral is. Pyrite, also known as fool's gold, has a greenish black streak. This is one way you can tell if it is real gold or not. Luster is the way a mineral surface reflects light. It can be classified as glassy, metallic, pearly, waxy, etc. This image is of a mineral called talc. It is often described as greasy or oily. It is non-metallic. Hardness is a measure of how well a mineral resists scratching. It is measured using Mohs scale, which runs from 1 to 10. Any mineral higher on the scale can scratch a mineral lower on the scale. Topaz, pictured here, is an 8 on the Mohs scale. Cleavage is described by the number of directions or planes along which the mineral breaks. Some minerals have a tendency to break along a flat surface, like the mica you see here. Sometimes scientists will use other special properties like magnetism or how a mineral glows under ultraviolet light. Magnetite is naturally magnetic. You can see this lump of magnetite attracting pins and safety pins.